everyone, what's going on? It's your girl, Just T, y'all. I hope everyone is doing awesome on this awesome day, right? And if you're new to my channel, I hope that you would sit back, enjoy the video and give it a thumbs up. Hope you will subscribe to my channel and hit that bell, okay? So you can get notified when Just T cooking, y'all. Come on now, walk with me. So today, guys, we're going to make a easy, very easy, simple, no-bake banana pudding. All right, in order to get that started, of course, you need star of the show, bananas. So I have three. You want to make sure your bananas are really ripe. They're ripe. And you need those Nella wafers, vanilla wafers. I have a box of those as well. You're going to need some milk. I'm using whole milk. You can use 2% milk, definitely not like soy milk or almond milk because it's not gonna work. At least I don't think it's gonna work. And also I have one can. This is a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. I also have some instant Jello pudding. I have a vanilla and I also have a banana cream one. So I have two. Also I have some vanilla flavoring. You're gonna need some of that vanilla extract. To be more politically correct, you're going to need that. Also, going to need some whipped cream. All right? You usually can find this in the freezer section, and you want to keep it in your freezer until you're ready to use it. Once you are ready to make whatever you're going to make with it, banana pudding, then you want to let that thaw out, okay? I usually let mine thaw out in the refrigerator. And because I like to, make stuff look really pretty, I have some Heath crumbles that I'm going to add on top once we're all done. Because we got to make this look pretty, right? So I'm going to go ahead and get my big old bowl. And then I'm going to meet y'all back here, all right? So we're back and I have my big bowl. Also have a whisk. Now, if you have like a hand mixer, definitely going to work out better for you, okay? So also, I'm sorry because I didn't tell you guys the box that I have. These are smaller boxes. I have two 3.4-ounce boxes of pudding mix, okay? Just to let you guys know. It's already empty one in there. I'm going to empty the other one in there. Into each one of those on the box, you want to follow those directions on the box. It says to add 2 cups of milk for each package of that. So altogether, since we have 2 boxes, we're going to add 4 cups of milk. So that is 2 right there. Yeah, my arm about to get a workout, guys. It's about to get a workout, okay? It's about to get a workout. That's 4. And if you had a handheld beater, T, it would only take me about 2 minutes. But since I'm going to be whipping it like, my arm broke, so I get this smooth, it's going to take a minute. It's going to take a little minute. So while I'm doing this, y'all go ahead, pause this video or fast forward it. Just hold on a minute, but I'm going to be back. I've only been beating this for about a minute with my whisk. So I want to show you guys the consistency that it has right now. So it's almost there. So you just want to beat it though. Like your wrist broke. Want to beat it. Got my husband over here helping me. Look at him. Go ahead with your strong wrist. We're almost there though. It's about done. So that we've gotten this pudding mix pretty thick, I'm going to add in half of that sweetened condensed milk. Thick. Yeah, babe, it's condensed. I might use the whole thing, but I'm going to add half of this in there right now. You can see that. Now we gotta whisk it some more. So we're just gonna get that thickness back. And once we get that thickness back, we're gonna fold in some whipped cream. So I'll be back in a minute. And I mixed this pudding up with my whisk. It says on the box for 2 minutes. And I added the half a can of that sweetened condensed milk and beat it some more. Then I'm letting it sit now for the 5 minutes, and it's still, in the process of thickening up. but that's the consistency that I have right now. So it should get a little thicker. And then we're going to fold in the whipped cream. Okay guys, welcome back. So I let that pudding mix sit for 5 minutes like it says on the box. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take half of my Cool Whip and I'm going to fold that into here because I want to save some for the top. So I'm going to put half of this container in there. Oh, I love some Cool Whip. I want to save some for the top, so that's about half. And we're going to put our vanilla extract in there as well. We're going to use a half of a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Half a teaspoon. Put that in here. And you don't want to mix this. You just want to fold it. You want to fold it in. Hopefully you guys can see this. So you want to fold all of that stuff over. But you want to incorporate all the, the whipped cream and that vanilla extract in there as well. So I'm going to get this folded and I'll bring you guys right back, okay? Okay guys, welcome back. So I folded that Cool Whip into that pudding mix. Like I said, you don't want to stir it, you just want to fold it in lightly, okay? And I went ahead and opened up 2 of my bananas and the vanilla wafers. And so what we're going to do now is we're going to lay some of the wafers down. This is the size dish that I'm using for me and my husband. I'm also going to make a couple of cups for a few friends. So we're going to put these down at the bottom. Oh, gee, they like stuck together. Okay then, okay. So we're going to lay them down at the bottom. I had to get the box that was stuck. So I want to put cookies all over the bottom of your box, of your bowl. And then we're going to lay some of the mixture right on top. I love whipped cream, and this smells so good. Lay that right on top. And then I'm going to cut up some bananas and put those on top. I'm trying to do this kind of fast for you guys. Right into the bowl. Now, depending on how many bananas you want in yours, you can put them in or you don't have to. So that's totally up to you as well. What I'm going to go in with is my Heath bits. I'm going to go in with some of those. Just going to sprinkle some right on top. Sprinkle those right on top of there. I love Heath bars. Oh my gosh, you guys. So I'm going to just sprinkle those right on top of there. And then on top of here, I'm going to add some more vanilla wafers on top of there. More wafers. I like to put them, if you're using a glass bowl, just, stick them up on the sides like that. If you're taking it somewhere. If not, just make it do what it do. So I'm just going to go around this perimeter of this bowl. And then we're just going to continue layering them. Same thing. Put some of this pudding on top. Like so. Oh my gosh, y'all, can't wait to eat this. I've been wanting some banana pudding for a while. Yes. And I like to leave some of my my whipped cream, like, little chunky, little bit. And just spread that all in there so it gets all into the creases of those cookies. And I'm going to go back on top again with the bananas and the heat. And then once I get to the very top, I'll come back and I'll show you guys, all right? Okay, guys, so we're back and I'm at the top of my banana pudding. I cannot wait to eat this. So I'm at the top. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get that whipped cream. Cool Whip. Whipped cream, same thing. Maybe not, but it is. But anyways, I'm going to put some of this on top. Trying to mix it a little bit. Just gonna put some of that on top of it and spread it out. Just want to kind of push it on there. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to eat this. Y'all can sit here and eat this whipped cream right on out this bowl. I'm not playing with you. And so you're just gonna continue just getting the top of yours. Put how much whipped cream you want. You know what I'm saying on there. You might not like whipped cream, or you know, you might have something else that you want to put on top. But you can dip my whole body in some whipped cream. I ain't playing. It's about enough whipped cream on there. And then we're going to get our Heath bars. And I'm going to sprinkle some of those on top. Sprinkle some on top like so. Let's make it rain with some Heath bars. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this is so freaking good. Y'all got to try them with the Heath bars. Or if you don't like Heath bars, whatever kind of candy bars you like, chop them jokers up. Or, you know, you can buy them in the bags. Get them in the bags. Yes, Lord. And that is it. Easy, no bake banana pudding. And if you want to throw something else on there, you can throw a couple, you know, more cookies on there or something. You know, just for some decoration. But I don't want those on mine. But always, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope all you guys have a blessed day. I wish y'all could come and taste this. Oh my gosh, I wish you could come taste that. Look at that though. Pretty good, huh? It's actually going to taste even better once it's sit in that refrigerator for a little bit and get cold. And I'm going to do another video too. Sometime, maybe this week, next week. But I'm going to do like the old-fashioned banana pudding. You know, the one where you bake too, because that one is good too. But I love this one. It's like quick, easy. You just want some banana pudding? Boom. There you go. And when you're buying that pudding, let me show you the box again. When you're getting your pudding, you want to make sure that it says instant on the box. Because if you don't get instant, you're not going to be able to whisk it with a whisk. You're going to need a hand blender for sure. All right? All right, guys. Thank you again for watching. I hope you guys have a blessed day. It's just tea, y'all.